Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana, and obviously, as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a quarantine pamper routine. Obviously, this is not how a typical day goes for me, but it was a weekend, it was rainy, and I decided I was going to treat myself and not do any work. These are a few of my favorite and now staple items that I use for my skin, recommended by my friend Preston, who is in my boyfriend tag video, which I'll tag in the cards above. But my skin has never looked better, so I'm never turning back. And of course, while I take care of my skin, I'm watching an episode of RuPaul's Drag Race. Okay, please do not clown me for my little lotion. I could not find the full-size one in time for the video. If you've seen my video where I eat vegan foods for 24 hours, you'd know that I've been vegan since, which has almost been a month, and I've lost 5 pounds already, and I'm getting really creative in the kitchen, and this is my first time trying a lot of these products, and I'm gonna say I honestly really loved it. If you have a garden and you're growing mint, you know more than anybody else that that stuff grows like crazy. And honestly, for somebody like me, I love to put it in my water. I love to make mint lemonade. So it's honestly a great thing for me. Trigger warning, my feet are going to be shown. I felt very vulnerable and uncomfortable filming this. Honestly, my feet are like kind of cute, but then at the same time I kind of think they're ugly. But this was honestly the main point of my pamper day. My feet have been looking a little bit rough, and for that reason I did this peeling mask and exfoliating, both of which I've used before and honestly have loved the results. The next week my feet will peel and look a little bit scary, but the results are honestly worth it. If you're interested, you can find them at CVS, or I'll leave a link in the description box as well. No relaxing day is complete without a charcuterie board, and as a vegan I was nervous how this would work out, but honestly I was super satisfied, and I don't want to brag, but I made that cheese. Before getting into bed, I decided to go ahead and do an ordinary mask. It had been a while since I'd done one, and honestly, I don't know why I have stopped. After I did this mask, my skin felt incredible, and I'm editing this 2 days later and it still does. My cleansing routine is identical as it is in the morning, except at night I usually do use a spinning face brush, but I didn't want to exfoliate it too hard before using the mask. In the 10 minutes that I was waiting, my face was definitely starting to tingle, and once I washed it, as you can see, my skin looks amazing. I like to use thicker eye creams at night while I sleep so it really seeps in there, but I still wake up with designer bags under my eyes, and I'm just gonna have to accept it, honestly. Last but not least, I get into my prayer and worship time. I find that doing it at night is when I'm most concentrated. feature that I love that you see me using here in the Bible app is the related tab. Whenever I read a passage or scripture that I'm a little bit confused about, this tab just helps me see what other people have written about it, and it gives me clarity. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you haven't taken care of yourself this week, please do. And honestly, what better way to take care of yourself than to leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.